Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the GTA 5 unknown game version error related to ScriptHookV. This problem usually happens after the game updates, but ScriptHookV is still an older version. Because of this, the mod files stop working, and you see the error. First, you need to update ScriptHookV. Open your browser and search for the latest ScriptHookV download. Make sure you download the newest version that matches the current GTA 5 update. Once the file is downloaded, extract it. Open it and go into the folder called bin. Inside this folder, you will see files like ScriptHookV.dll and dinput8.dll. Copy these two files. Now, open your GTA 5 main game folder. Paste them into this main folder. If you are asked to replace existing files, choose Replace. After that, it is a good idea to verify your game files. If you are using Steam, open your library. Right-click on GTA 5, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you are using Epic Games, go to your library, click the three dots next to GTA 5, and select Verify. This will fix any missing or broken game files and make sure your game is on a clean version. Once both steps are done, launch the game again, and the error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.